into the world of elegance and exclusivity with Twin Tower DXP located in Sector 84 in close proximity to the coveted Dwarka Expressway. Here, luxury is redefined for the chosen few. Come, let's have a look and let's go inside. With luxurious amenities, Twin Tower DXP is a statement for pride and prestige. The construction will be done by ACC India, yes, known for constructing some famous high-rises in the country. Also, exceptional offers are going on right now. So for starters, you have 1,000 rupees per square feet inaugural discount. There's a free club membership, a free car parking, and also luxury watches worth 6 lakh rupees on every booking. These are exceptional offers that you just cannot miss. Also, the payment plan is very flexible. So for more details, you can contact your relationship manager and make Twin Tower DXP your dream home. For those who seek more than just a home, for those who seek a statement of luxury, welcome to Signature Global Titanium SPR. Nestled in the heart of Gurugram, in Sector 71 on SPR Road, this project sets to redefine premium living. Come, let's have a look. With 55 plus world-class amenities, every detail at Signature Global Titanium SPR reflects sophistication and a step towards sustainability. Let me also tell you that the construction partner for this premium project is Capacite Infra Projects Limited. Coming back to sustainability, well, 91% of the area here is dedicated to green and open spaces. Also, the project has dual certification. It is IGBC Gold certified and also EDGE certified, ensuring a green and sustainable living. And for a limited period of time, you have a chance to buy your dream home with some amazing offers. Well, you can get a free car parking, a free club membership, and also luxury watches worth 6 lakh rupees with every booking. You can buy your dream home with some amazing payment plans too. So contact your relationship manager without any delay or come visit the site office. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Imagine living in a home where luxury and convenience go hand in hand. Welcome to Deluxe DXP located in the heart of Sector 37D, Gurugram. Choose from 3, 3.5 and 4.5 BHK residences thoughtfully crafted to redefine your living experience. With construction already underway by Ahluwalia Constructions, renowned for their top-notch quality and timely delivery, your dream home is closer than you think. As part of our exclusively tailored offer, enjoy premium club membership that adds a layer of indulgence to your lifestyle. And with our flexible payment plan, owning your dream home has never been easier. But here's the catch. Only a few units are left and prices are set to rise. So, what are you waiting for? This opportunity won't last long. Secure your luxurious future at Deluxe DXP today.
आपका स्वागत है सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल सिटी ऑफ कलर्स NH8 में। एक 129 एकड़ की इंटीग्रेटेड टाउनशिप जो NH8 पर एक नई पहचान बनाने वाली है। इस टाउनशिप में एक कमर्शियल प्लॉट भी है जो 1.9 एकर्स का है। ये प्लॉट बिजनेस और रिटेल स्पेसेस के लिए आइडियल लोकेशन है। यहां नेचर, कम्युनिटी और मॉडर्न लिविंग का परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन मिलेगा। रेजिडेंशियल प्लॉट्स की साइजेस हैं 103 स्क्वायर मीटर से 150 स्क्वायर मीटर्स तक, जो फैमिलीज के लिए परफेक्ट है, जो अपना ड्रीम घर एक पीसफुल और ग्रीन एनवायरनमेंट में बनाना चाहते हैं। हमने ये टाउनशिप रीवाइल्डिंग कॉन्सेप्ट पर बनाई है, जहां नेचर अपने रॉ फॉर्म में फिर से ब्लूम कर सके, ताकि ये नेचुरल ब्यूटी और भी खिल सके। सिटी ऑफ कलर्स के रेजिडेंट्स के लिए एक एक्सक्लूसिव क्लब हाउस है, जिसमें आप एंजॉय करेंगे प्रीमियम फैसिलिटीज जैसे इंडोर जिम्नेजियम, बार एंड रेस्टोरेंट, यहां पर फैमिलीज के लिए बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज हैं, जैसे किड्स इंडोर प्ले एरिया, डॉक्टर्स क्लिनिक, मल्टीपर्पस हॉल। सिटी ऑफ कलर्स आपको नेचर और मॉडर्न लिविंग का एक परफेक्ट बैलेंस प्रोवाइड करता है, जहां ग्रीनरी और ओपन स्पेसेस आपकी लाइफस्टाइल का एक हिस्सा बन जाती हैं। हरी अप और सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल फैमिली का हिस्सा बन जाएं, जहां आपके सपने वाइब्रेंट और सस्टेनेबल स्पेसेस में सच होते हैं। सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल्स लेगेसी, अ नेम यू कैन ट्रस्ट। Hurry up and be a part of the Signature Global family.